Are there health or safety risks involved in replacing your own toilet? Replacing a toilet exposes you to raw sewage, sharp tools, and heavy lifting, so you should prepare before you start. First, protect yourself from germs by using heavy-duty disposable gloves and safety glasses, and change gloves if they tear. Clean any skin cuts and avoid touching your face. Ventilate the bathroom by opening a window and running an exhaust fan to reduce exposure to sewer gas, which can cause dizziness or nausea. Use a good quality adjustable wrench and a new wax or rubber flange seal, and follow manufacturer torque guidance to avoid over-tightening porcelain bolts, which can crack the base. When lifting the toilet bowl, use your legs, not your back. Ask a helper for the final lift because a porcelain toilet can be awkward and fragile, and set it down on a soft surface to avoid chipping. After installation, run water and check for leaks by adding food coloring to the tank and waiting 5 minutes, so you can spot any seepage without flushing repeatedly. 3 common problems are broken flange bolts, leaking seals, and sewer gas odors. Rusted or snapped flange bolts make it hard to secure the toilet, so remove remaining threads with a bolt extractor or replace the flange if it is corroded, and ensure the floor is flat before fastening. Leaking seals occur when the wax ring or rubber gasket is misaligned or compressed unevenly, so remove the toilet and replace the seal. Press the bowl straight down without rocking, and torque bolts evenly and gradually. Persistent sewer gas smell usually comes from a dry trap or a damaged seal, so pour water into seldom used drains to refill traps and inspect the wax ring and vent stack. If the vent is blocked, you may need a professional to clear it safely. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work by showcasing projects and availability. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and compare local experiences, so both homeowners and contractors can learn from each other.